For folks who are watching, if you are in or very familiar with South Carolina, the dam is in the community of Forest Acres. As Nick pointed out, it's the Over Creek Dam. Tom Sater is with me from our weather center. And Tom, again, just to also reiterate to people that they need water.
Yes.
The lack of electricity, issues with water, no drinking water. And so that's an issue. But then you have this fact that there is a mandatory evacuation now ordered downstream from this dam. What would those evacuations, what would they look like?
Well, that remains to be seen right now, Brooke, because right now we're just getting these media reports that there is this breach. Let's talk about where we are here and what is a breach. It could be overspill of a dam. It could be a small crack, possibly a small fracture. Now, when you look at the area, here is Forest Acres. Notice the high concentration of neighborhoods in the community here. When you take a look at the lakes, this is Rocky Ford Lake, you've got Spring Lake, and then it makes its way toward Forest Lake. These actually kind of flow a little bit toward the south. The dam, we believe, of course, what is called the Over Creek Dam, the breach, if it does occur and makes its way here, the evacuations would take place throughout the entire area. But again, it remains to be seen, Brooke, what this breach actually means. We're still trying to get information. I can tell you, in the last 24 hours, there have been over 30 breaches of dams and levees, which means try to, manage any type of river flow in the near future. It's spilling into some communities, which means if evacuations take place and other breaches fail, other levees fail, there will be more swift water rescues. There will be more in the way, of course, evacuations. Now, let me show you something else which is critical because it's not only this dam situation, Brooke, that we're talking about. When you look at the massive amounts of rainfall that has fallen in the area, and we know it's historic in purple, take a look now when I give you an idea of all of the rivers. The small tributaries, such as Gill Creek, which is near this dam we're talking about, rose over 7 feet in just a couple of hours. It washed away the river gauges. That has happened in many little smaller streams and tributaries. That's almost unheard of, meaning the levels have reached historic levels. All of these smaller tributaries are going to get into the larger rivers. Everything flows from west to east back across the state. Heavy amounts of rain even in Greenville were occurring in the last 24 hours. So that means communities that, sure, they may, Brooke, have seen a receding of the water. But a lot of that is because the breaches have failed, and in some cases, the levees, that is, and we're getting that spill, so the water level drops. But now, over the next 24, 48 hours, 36, as the water accumulates in the larger rivers, the pressure along the riverbanks are going to be so great that in some cases, Columbia, again, where the rivers converge and meet in the communities such as Charleston, several days later, there could be several more problems. There are several communities along these major rivers that run from Greenville to Columbia, from the north past the east of Columbia and east over to the northeast from Florence toward Myrtle Beach and Georgetown. Remember, Georgetown was completely submerged. They were pumping water back out into the ocean. During high tide, it was getting pushed back in. But a bigger problem, you come down east from Eastover to the city of Cross, which goes into Charleston.
Yep.
We are looking at what could be a significant problem in the days ahead. One more map for you, Brooke. This is quite interesting. All of the colors of red are road closures. In blue, all these little dots are bridge closures. In the days ahead, maybe weeks later, once all the water finally recedes, can you imagine the damage that we're going to find? This no doubt will be the next billion-dollar natural weather disaster in the U.S.